In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to fine-tune your store's user experience, setting up a customer registration form is a crucial step. It not only streamlines the process for your customers, but also helps you collect valuable information to enhance your engagement strategies. Let's begin by exploring the easiest method to get started. First, from your Shopify homepage, navigate to the Apps section. Here, you'll want to search for any reputable form-building app that suits your needs. Once you've decided on one, go ahead and download it. These apps are fantastic because they offer customizable and easy-to-implement forms without the need for coding expertise. Make sure to explore the app's customization options to tailor it exactly to your store's style and requirements. However, if you prefer to add a customer registration form manually, there's another simple way to handle it. Head over to the Customers section in your Shopify admin panel. Here, you can manually enter the details of the customers you wish to add. After you've entered the necessary information, don't forget the crucial step: save it. This approach might be a bit more time-consuming if you're handling a large number of registrations, but it's a reliable method if you want a hands-on approach to your customer records. Additionally, you can enhance your customer management strategy by creating segments. Segmentation is a powerful tool for personalizing your marketing efforts and improving customer relations. Click on Create Segment to get started. This feature allows you to divide your customer base into different categories based on specific criteria. You can segment them by location, purchase history, or even how frequently they visit your store. This way, you can tailor your marketing strategies to each segment to boost engagement and sales. Now, as a helpful tip, while you're customizing your registration forms or setting up segments, always keep your customer's user experience in mind. Ensure the forms are mobile-friendly, as many users might be accessing your store from their phones. Also, don't overload customers with too many fields to fill out. Try to keep it as concise as possible while capturing essential information. To wrap things up, adding a customer registration form in Shopify is a straightforward process that can significantly benefit your online store. Whether you're opting for an app, manually entering details, or creating customer segments, each method contributes to building a strong foundation for customer interaction and engagement. Always keep exploring new apps or strategies within Shopify to stay updated with the best practices for managing your customer relationships effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy Shopify tips and tricks. See you next time.